Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin caption chart. So let's start. First of all, I want to discuss about the Bitcoin graph, what's the market going on. So for this I am in the one day chart. In one day chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 1 hour chart, in 1 hour chart you can see the market is going to up. I already described in the previous video. You can see here also I said the market going to up. If I go to 2 hour chart, in 2 hour chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 3 hour chart, in 3 hour chart also the market is going to up. If I go to 4 hour chart, the same case, the 4 hour chart the market also going to up. If I go to 1 minute chart, in 1 minute chart you can see the market is little bit going to down. If I go to 5 minute chart, but 5 minute chart market is going to up. If I go to 15 minute chart, in 15 minute chart you can see also the market is going to up. If I go to 45 minute chart, in 45 minute chart market going to up. So it can clear the market going to up. If I clear it, you can see the daily chart. In daily chart you can see I create a scale. This to scale you can see the market is now in this position. So I think the market going to up and he can break his position after that. So I think market is going to this position. So I think everybody understand what I described in the Bitcoin graph. If you know the good prediction, please comment below and share your idea. I think it will be helpful for my viewers. So now I discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 23,719.50 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 23,719.50 USD. I think everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.